We are thrilled to bring you this one-day workshop that is designed to help you reset your mind. It's designed to increase your available energy at a cellular level and, of course, your vitality. It's designed to enhance your sense of well-being, which, of course, is your foundation for being well.
Over the last few years, we've seen stress and life's challenges reach levels like never seen before. And that's why we created the Great Health Awakening, Healing the Body, Mind and Beyond. It's a full one-day workshop to help you unlock and reach your maximum potential.
This transformative experience is designed for those who are ready to break free from the physical and mental toll of recent years.
Whether you've been pressured by mandates or coerced into medical decisions, or maybe you've been persecuted for standing up for your rights. Many people have lost jobs. On the other hand, some people did exactly what they're told to do and they're now suffering serious medical conditions as a result. Or even worse, they've lost loved ones. And that is why many more are reporting a significant decline in mental and physical well-being.
Through simple and powerful techniques, we will show you how to release stress, heal and reconnect with your body without complicated routines or endless therapy.
So join us for a day of renewal and transformation. There are only limited spots, so please book today and start your healing journey.